Okay, so here we have the Apple TV 4K. As you can see on the box, these are the contents that you get inside. You get the TV box and control. Let's take a look onto the side. And this one right here is the 64 GB model with Wi-Fi only. You can also get a 128 GB model. It's the third generation, and as you can see here, Wi-Fi only. So let's flip onto the back, take a look. And it says here you get cinematic quality, 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. Do more with Apple devices, enhance your TV experience with AirPlay, HomePod, and AirPods. And Apple Home Hub control compatible devices from smart home accessories from anywhere. So basically, you can connect your AirPods to these as well. So if you ever want to watch TV with your AirPods on, you can do that. Let's take a look inside the box. So the main difference between this one and the 128 GB model is the 128 gig also gives you an Ethernet port and supports threading. Thread in relation to this device just basically means that it will benefit those of you who are looking to build a smart home with your controllable lights, switches, speakers, etc. So you can connect the Apple TV to something like the HomePod. Just get this out right here. And fits right into the palm of my hand, so very small as you can see. Let me just put that down to the side and see what else comes in the box. And as you can see, there is the control. Get this out and open it up. That is the two of them together. Let me just open it up now. Doing a terrible job, as you can see already, getting this wrapper off. But here is your control and the Apple TV box. That's them together. Very small. And let me see what else is in this box. I should probably move these to the side first so you can see exactly what's going on. So here is the box. This is likely to be your power lead. Yep, power lead inside. And then you've also got your Apple TV paperwork. No stickers inside at all, I'm assuming, because Apple didn't really do stickers with the Apple TV. Just standard paperwork. Take a look and see what's inside. So yeah, just a bit of details in terms of what the control does and about the ports on the back of the box. Nothing special there. Let's get these out of the way. And here is the power lead. Let's open that up right now. Probably should have pulled it out from the other side, to be fair. And this is all you get in the box. So that's the Apple TV, the control, and the power lead. No HDMI cable comes with it, so obviously you have to buy that separately. Just take this bit of plastic off and take a look around the box. So as you can see here, it's just the power port and the HDMI port. Like I said, HDMI does not come with it, so you have to buy that separately. Another little bit of plastic at the bottom of the base. Okay, let's take a look around the box, see if there's anything else that we need to be seeing. So no other switches, no other ports. Obviously, you've got your Apple logo on top of the box. That's it. Very simple. And this is your Apple TV 4K unboxing. And these are what you get inside the box. Hope you enjoyed the video.